So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect and pair a Vizio Soundbar to PS4 and PS5, HDMI optical and audio setting. So method first is connecting via TV. Connect an HDMI cable from your PS4 and PS5 to an HDMI port on your TV. Then connect a second HDMI cable from the soundbar's HDMI out port to the HDMI ARC E or ARC port. Then turn on your TV and check setting to ensure audio output is set to receiver or external speaker of the ARC is enabled. Navigate to setting, then sound, then audio output and set output device to HDMI device, AV amplifier. For PS4 go to setting, then sound and screen, audio output setting and set primary output. Second method is optical cable. Plug one end of the optical cable into the optical out port on your PS4. Then connect the other end of the cable to the optical in port of your Vizio soundbar. On the Vizio soundbar, press the input button and select optical by a specific LED color like green. Configure your PS4 audio setting to digital out optical. Third fix is Bluetooth. Plug the USB Bluetooth adapter into the PS4 or PS5. Then hold the pairing button on the adapter until it flashes rapidly. Turn on the Vizio soundbar and hold the Bluetooth button for about 5 seconds to enter repairing mode. Wait a few seconds for the device to sync. Go to the console setting and set the output to the USB audio device. Thanks for watching.